Hello everybody. Today I am going to discuss about bridging brand theory and practice, a closer look at the evolving role of marketing in today's business world. So, first I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ushashi Sarkar and I am an assistant professor of a private college. It is a law college. I teach in economics department, though my degree is in management, but I am eligible to teach economics as well. So we straight away go to the slides. Now, what do you mean by brand? Brand is something which makes a product differentiate from the other. It can be product or service. For example, if I say toothpaste, so some name triggers my mind, that is Colgate. So Colgate is a brand. Similarly, in a service industry, if I talk about hotels, Sonar Bangla Hotel, this is a brand. So this is the brand means something which differentiate one from the other. Now we come to the introduction slide. First, it is said that brand refers to a unique identity, name or image that represents a product, service or company. It encompasses various elements such as logo, tagline, etc. Brand does not only mean a name, it can be logo, tagline, etc. Second is effective branding differentiates a business from its competitors, fosters recognition, and builds loyalty. Third is by consistently communicating its message and values, a brand can establish a strong reputation and emotional connection with its target audience. Now, here it is said that target audience. To promote a brand, we need to first recognize the market. First, need to just segment the market according to customer needs. Then only a brand can be positioned well. And lastly, it is said that ultimately a well-crafted brand identity can drive business success and leave a long-lasting impact on the market. Not only in the market, also in the minds of the customer, right? Next is the aims of the study. Why I chose this portion to be done for research work. First aim is to explore the intersection and overlaps between technological innovation, cultural shifts, and economic uncertainty. Second aim is to investigate the tensions and contradictions that underlie the practice of brand marketing in the digital era. Third is map the evolving terrain of brand marketing, identifying key trends, patterns, and benchmarks. Next is the literature review. Different authors have written different things about a brand. According to Keller, 2013, he wrote, a strong brand is one that has a clear and consistent image, is perceived as relevant and distinctive, and has a strong emotional connection with its customer. Now, every brand's main aim is to create a emotional connection with its customer. Second occurred 2012 wrote. He emphasized that the importance of building a strong brand identity, which involves creating a unique and consistent brand image, voice, and personality. She argues that a strong brand identity is essential for building brand loyalty and driving business growth. Third author is Pine and Gilmore. He said that businesses need to shift their focus from selling products to creating a memorable experience for their customers. They contend that experiences are the new currency of business. Obviously, everybody knows without experience, nothing can happen. And that businesses that create memorable experiences will be the ones that thrive in the future. Now, what is the type of research methodology I employed here? First is Obviously, it is a mixed method approach, which is very easier method of research. This involves quantitative and qualitative data. The sample size was randomly chosen. For this purpose, I used Google Forms and I recorded 60 respondents' data. Now, this data I come to data analysis and interpretation. When I pasted the Google Forms link in different social media, I found out that among 60 respondents, 30 men were more interested in filling up the form, and similarly, 30 women were interested in filling up the form. So this we can see that 50% were male and 50% were female. From this chart, it is clear that 26 to 33 years of age people are more brand conscious. They buy branded things much more than the other categories. Now, when I questioned about respondents about noticing brand advertisement, whether they notice brand advertisements or not, mostly said sometimes and mostly said often. And some said rarely and some said never. Now, this I question them influencing the perception of a brand. What influences them in buying a product of a brand? Many say 50% said advertising. Through advertising, they get more influence, and 20% said through word of mouth, and 10% said social media, 20% said personal experience. Here, I asked them, is brand reputation important? Mostly 30% of respondents say yes, brand reputation is very important, and not very important is about 25%. Some said 20% said somewhat important, and 25% said not at all important. In this, I asked them whether they research a brand before purchase. 80% of customers said yes, and 20% said no. They don't research a brand before a purchase. Here, I asked them about trusting. What builds their trust in a brand? Mostly said reliability 35% and affordability, which is also 35%. Few said innovative and some said customer focused. Yeah, I asked them whether customer service is important for them or not. Many said 80% respondents said very important customer service, very important, be it after sales service or not. Yeah, I asked them whether brand loyalty is important or not. 40% said not at all important. That means they can shift from one brand to another. It does not matter about brand, it only matters about the choice they make. Here I asked them what makes them frustrated about a brand. They said low quality products. When asked what values in a brand for them, they said quality and price is the most important. Now these are the findings of the study. First is reliability and affordability, a key consideration for customers. Second is customer service. Third is low quality products are a major source of frustration. Fourth is research is essential in purchasing decision making process. And last but not the least is customer don't have brand loyalty. These are the limitations of the study. First is limited perspectives. Second is focus on specific aspect of brand marketing. Third is limitations of online survey method. This is my conclusion. The main thing I can see is the future of brand marketing is bright, and those who prioritize connection, creativity, and empathy will be best positioned to thrive. These are some of the references from where I took something, some knowledge. So these are the things, and this is about me. You can check it out. And my presentation is over. I hope you all like it. And please, please, please support me. Thank you.